Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. Please, while you're on this channel, do me a massive favor, like, subscribe. It helps to push this video for others to see it. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this vacuum gear. This is Henry HVR160 by 11. This vacuum gear is one of the popular vacuum gear here in UK. It's very economical and affordable, but also it lasts, it works. Okay, basically we got this gear, and what we want to do is we want to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This will help you to make informed choice about this gear. This Henry, over 10 million sold already, okay, and they are still in use. Myself, I got so many Henry. If you check my video, you see got variety of Henry, pneumatic, international, Henry 200, Henry 160, Henry PET, 80. Okay, so what we want to do is to unbox this one. Okay, check it out, see what is inside. I ordered this online from Amazon here in UK. Okay. Now this is the information pack. Nice. So we got extra bag here. Okay, we got extra bag. This is the tool. Okay, so pneumatic tools are in here. Brushes, clevis, and various sizes of brush are in here. And this is the main head brush. This is the hose. Now, do you want to see it? These are the poles. There we go. In. So 3 of those poles in here. Now I got nice color. Yo, look at that, yellow. See what it looks like. Beautiful. Can see smiley face of Henry. This is Henry 160 yellow color we got here. See what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Amazing stuff. Henry 160. So guys, this is what we got. Okay, open it up. You can see the motor, what it looks like. As usual, powerful. Can extend the cable. Okay, and here is the filter. Nice filter. See what it looks like. Beautiful. And you can see inside it with a bag ready, waiting for rust to start demonstrating and start doing the work needed. This is HVR160. Beautiful. So this vacuum gear deserves your attention. So this Henry is built to last, independently rated as UK most reliable vacuum brand. Huge capacity, up to 5 bag than many bagless vacuum. Efficiency, air-rated cleaning, air-rated powerful. Efficiency, efficient cleaning technology, perfect all-rounder. Carpet, hard floor, cars, stairs, DIY, head is ready. What goes in stays in. Innovative self-seal tab, lock all the dust in the bin, meaning empty with no dust, no mess. And the suction, a lot of people gave this 4.7 for suction power, easy to use 4.7, durability 4.6, for cleaning up hairs 4.6. So guys, this is what we got here. Ordered this from amazon.co.uk, and just check out my next video for us to demonstrate this gear. Okay, use it to vacuum the lounge area and put this to test. Okay, so this vacuum gear deserves your attention. Okay, so this is Henry HVR160 by 11. Okay, you can see the bag. Okay, so guys, this is the overview of this vacuum gear, what is inside and the brush. Okay, so we are ready to do the job. Okay, so check out my next video, vacuuming the lounge and the living room with this. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share. Henry deserves your attention. Thank you. Peace.